Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Sticky to Invest, bringing you back with another freaking YouTube video. Look, man, first thing first, man, if you like the video, man, please like and subscribe, guys. It's free and it helps me grow my channel, guys. I'd be much appreciated, man. Look, man, but look, man. So, update after CPI, and just know your boy got freaking crushed, and I mean, I got freaking obliterated, bro. So y'all know I was up at least $1,000 year to date, right? And now your boy is up only $600 year to date, which you look right here, $1,000 and 9. So I was up 40%, but now I am back down to up 9%. And I mean, at this point, bro, I really don't really see any like rate cuts happening at all. Like, if anything, I feel like that is out the window now. Because bro, like, they were saying, well, the Fed and basically everybody was saying rate cuts is gonna happen, and now with inflation being above expectation, which we thought it was gonna be under expectations, and yeah, bro, it's just out the window now, in my opinion. It needed this freaking pullback, yes, but at the same time, bro, I don't really see any rate cuts happening anytime soon. And if I'm being honest, bro, I just feel like we were too convinced that rate cuts were gonna happen. Like, let's say, for example, we had the jobs. Um, so the job data came out, like, like a while ago, and it was above expectations. And I feel like that was at least a clear indication that maybe inflation was still high. And it came really hot, actually. It came super hot. That SPY actually was down 2%, and I just sell my Palantir calls and my Nvidia calls, cause bro, once the market opens, I was at least down like $300, and luckily I gained some of it back with Cisco right here, because right at the very end, Cisco actually went up a couple percentage, actually, and I'm kind of happy it did because, bro, I needed that. And Cisco does come out with earnings tomorrow, after market close, so I'm kind of ready for that. Hopefully, well, not hopefully, but I have faith in my research. Like I said, I believe this is gonna beat expectations for Wall Street and revenue expectations, and because it's Cisco, man. I love Cisco so much. I don't use this company, but I know for sure my job uses this company. So I actually see this company being a good company in the long run. So let's see how the earnings play out. But look, bro, CPI. Oh man, CPI, bro. Just know I was really kind of disappointed because everybody was hyping up that CPI is going to be below expectations. We could see actually rate cuts happening this year. But for me, I think now I'm gonna stop listening to other big like investors. I think that's where I messed up at, by just listening to other big investors. And me personally, I always do my due diligence. I do my research on everything, and I just feel like I was lacking on research about CPI. I should have known that when the job data came out not too long ago, like a couple weeks ago or months ago, that it was above expectations. I should have used that as maybe CPI is gonna come in hot. Maybe it's time for a pullback. Maybe it's time for a breather. Like, I mean, I kind of did say it in the very beginning. I kind of figured that we were gonna get a pullback. I did say at first, but after listening to the other investors and I guess Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, I changed my mind. But now I think I'm gonna just stick to my own research and my own, basically my own mindset, and block off all of that noise, because bro, only you can make that decision on what you think is gonna happen in the economy, in the market. And your boy, sadly, your boy got demolished in the market open. But it is what it is. You know, this is it's stocks, bro. It's trading stocks. I don't really trade for the short term anymore. I trade for the long term. So to me, this is nothing new. I keep my emotions in check. I just, I kind of figured I was right deep down inside, but I mean, I'm still sad about me being right, but I still listen to these big investors, and it's just so crazy how I was right. It's crazy how I basically said that we are gonna get a market breather sooner or later, and maybe CPI. I said this yesterday. I said maybe CPI is gonna be that negative impact that we need for a pullback, and look what happened. Like we were down 2% on SPY, so and that's huge. Actually, that's pretty huge. So let's see tomorrow how the market opens. But look, man, that's it for the video, guys. Take care and make sure y'all like and subscribe, guys. Peace.